Hola, Nini.
Buenos.
Bienvenido
Al canal.
al canal.
Estoy David. Estoy Isa.
Y bueno, Nina, ¿y qué vamos a hacer hoy?
We're doing un show, and we're doing a puppet show. So you're gonna lay down, and you're gonna show the people how you like it. We're gonna make a show from these puppets. His name is Elephie, and his name is Teleport Dragon.
Isamar,
And
¿cómo
he
se-
also does powers as he does fire water, cause he's all blue.
Es todo azul.
Es todo azul.
Isamar, ¿cuáles son tus amigos?
Her name is Kitty, and the puppet.
Okay.
Fluffy. And the last name, Moana, live in the sea. I got to spend my shoes. You got some beautiful shoes that's sparkly and roundy. Yes, it is roundy. Doesn't it look like a shoe? I remember that dog that, wait, does it have a mustache? Wait, let me see. Does it have a mustache? No. Wait, let me see. It doesn't. Wait, let me see. Wait, it does. It does have a mustache. Oh my gosh, it does have a mustache. It does have a
Show it to the
purple
camera,
mustache.
Isa. Show it to the
I have a purple mustache. He has a purple mustache.
Look at it.
He
Look at that.
kind of want to zoom in. And my bird color red. Oh no, you don't. You cannot see it. Yes, I can. Alright, there's a purple mustache.
Okay, pero ese no es un puppet.
There's not a puppet. There's just a tiny puppet. It's a puppet. It's a puppet. It's a toy or a puppet. I know. You're gonna know. We can just call it a puppet or a toy. Hey, guys! I want to make a puppet show. One time, there's a. No, you have to lay down. No one can see. Okay, now look. I get that out of here. One day, there's a little elephant named Elephie. But one day, a dragon appeared, and he said, "My name is Elephie. What's your name?" My name is Elephie. What's your name again? Elephie. So you want to scream, huh? Yes, I can scream whatever I want. Well, I can appear. What? Who are you? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wow. And then,
It's Isa Papa Moana. I'm gonna take her. Okay, one upon a time, there's Moana and a kitty. Hello, what's your name? My name is Wanana, and I am really missing. It's so close. Hey, I'm laying down.
yes.
Ouch! Ouch, yeah, I just found the water.
Isa,
And
I can see you. Agachate, Isa. Agachate.
I'm ready to ouch.
Ah, this is so cool.
And I'm ready to go to the sea. Okay, what are you doing here? I don't know, but I live in the sea. Why you got slippery squares? Because why you got dots? Because for my skin. Oh, but why you got that lines? These are my whiskers. Oh, I know, but why your ears pink? I don't know. But I'll go back home. The end. Okay, let's watch it. It's not done anymore. It's not done. How about you? Oh no, but there's a baby coming. I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see who's gonna win. It's gonna be Kitty. What? It's gonna be Kitty.
Okay, niño, vete para allá.
I know. Whereas the magic soul, he is the kitty. There's a magic stone in here. He will run for every night. It's gonna be a kitty or a person. You choose. It's gonna be a kitty or a person. Nine, please say that. Wait. I knew it was a kitty. Yay! You knew it was a kitty, right? So great job. You made a kitty. When it wasn't a person, you can pick a kitty. So now, because I'm just still here talking to you. I'm gonna leave back home.
Come on, can we open it up? Please?
Okay. Why is no point? Can we open it, please?
I'm not sure if our parents is going to be proud of us.
I don't know, but when my hand's too long, I can't open this. I can open it. I can open it. The end.
Thank you for watching BB Upload. And the police said you have to take a shower because in Texas, everyone's getting sick in Texas. So we had to take a shower, but we're so clean now. And wash our hands.
Yep. And wash all your face. Because you know why? You shouldn't eat too much sugar. And you got the water. You're gonna get a cavity.
I'm out of the show. Bye, guys. I'm out of the show because I'm full. I ate the Jello at school. Yay, Isa?
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to watch it again. Bye!
Thank you for this video.